Yo, February 9th, 2025. Hey, I just want to tell you guys that yeah, I did admit that nowadays I got so much, so much other things to do, and it makes me really exhausted and consume lots of my time. So I'm still gonna be giving you guys practical guide on how to actually be consistent at doing something. But yeah, I'm just gonna be trying my best. Okay, I'm currently extremely tired. I'm sorry if this video isn't really that good. So this is gonna be day 216 of consistently helping people build consistency. So how do you actually stay consistent, right, at doing positive things, whether it's exercising, studying, practicing your art, or anything? Well, actually, the answer is really simple, or not really that simple. But I'm gonna give you guys one really effective method on how to actually be consistent. This one effective method is to just count how many days, track how many days you've been consistently doing your thing without missing any single day. Basically, a habit streak. So the thing that you wanted to be doing here is to just grab a pen and a paper, right? And then we are gonna be defining what is the thing that we are gonna be doing. Don't only say that, yeah, I'm gonna be exercising every single day. Don't only say that, oh yeah, I'm gonna be studying every single day. No, make it extremely clear how by making it specific and also measurable. So instead of just saying that, oh yeah, I'm gonna be exercising, let's say that, oh yeah, you know what, I'm gonna be doing some running. Instead of just saying, I'm gonna be doing some studying. Let's say, oh yeah, I'm gonna be playing some Duolingo. But not only that we make it specific, right? We also need to make it measurable. Because if like some of the days, if we don't like implement a clear daily bare minimum, maybe like sometimes we only do like, 1 second of running or maybe like just 1 second of Duolingo and just say that, oh yeah, you know what, I've done my thing. Okay, so no, we want to create a clear daily bare minimum. And it's not going to be like, oh yeah, 5 hours of studying every single day. Well, you might get to that point one day, but I suggest to you if, like you're a beginner on this, like starting this one new thing, I suggest you to just uh put it, like start small and then gradually increase. Okay. So the thing that we wanted to be doing here is that we are gonna be saying that, oh yeah, you know what? At least I'm gonna be doing 5 minutes of running every single day. At least I'm gonna be doing 5 minutes of reading of playing Duolingo every single day. Okay? So the thing that we want to be doing here is that every single time we've managed to actually do the thing, we are gonna be marking an X on the paper. Okay? X, X, X. So one day we can only like mark one X. Okay? And then we need to wait until the next day to do the same thing, to do the same routine, and then mark another X. Okay? And then we are going to be counting how many X's we've been actually accumulating. But if one day we just miss, right? We miss doing the thing, well, the habit streak is going to reset to zero again. Okay, so why is this method is extremely effective, right? Because one, it's gonna make us feel like, like we've got something that um we are clearly tracking our progress, right? Oh, you know what? I've been consistently doing this thing for 7 days, for 14 days, and it brings us some sense of, maybe like joy of progression, right? And not only that, it's gonna give us some sense of, you know a sense of confidence, right? Because, oh, you know what? I've been consistently doing this thing for the past 14 days. I'm also going to be doing it under 15 days, on the 16th day, and the 17th day, and so on and so on. That's one reason. But the second reason is that once we've managed to, I don't know, I think like day 7 or like day 14, we're gonna be having some attachment to this streak, meaning we don't want to lose this streak, right? So even on this, when we are not feeling motivated to do the thing, we are still gonna be doing it anyway. Big chances. Why? Because we're gonna be thinking like, oh, you know what? Doing this thing sucks. Like doing the studying sucks. But guess what's going to be even way more suck? Breaking the streak. So you know what? Comparatively, I'm just gonna be doing the thing that's like less suck comparatively. And anyway, studying is the right thing to do, right? Oh yeah. So that's two reason why this method is extremely effective. But also notice that, yeah, if the exercising routine that you wanted to create is, if the habit that you wanted, sorry, If the habit that you wanted to create is an exercising habit, please consider to take some rest days, and also on the days when you're feeling sick, right? If you're actually like feeling not well, please take some rest, and yeah, don't push yourself way too hard. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe if you found this video helpful, so that this video is going to reach more and more people. Bye bye.